we took them down. All right, so for this one, it says solve the equation of x by graphing. So really what we're going to do is we're going to graph the left-hand side of the equal sign, and we're going to graph the right-hand side of the equal sign, and then we're just going to see where they intersect. So let's do that. I'm turning on my graphing calculator, and I'll make a big screen for you. In fact, I'll make the big screen for you, and then I'll move this little calculator out of the way. So to graph it, I'm going to go in here. Oh, look, I almost have it already in there. So for my first one, I'm going to insert a negative sign. What is that? Negative 2x plus 3. So I'm going to go over here and change that to 3. Does that look right? And then I'm going to graph negative 3 times negative x. Oh, no, wait. Shoot. Negative 3 raised to the negative x minus 2. And I'm not sure where this is going to cross, but we'll just do like a standard zoom and see what we get. So there's my first function. And then my second function should be coming in around negative 2. Yep. And so the area that we're interested in is right here where they intersect. And it's not quite 2. But we can find out what that is. I'm just going to let the calculator calculate it for me. So we're going to go into the calculate menu and we're going to go to intersect. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this as close to where I need to be. And let me explain this to you. I've explained it a couple times, but it doesn't hurt to go over it again. This is the first function, negative 2 raised to the x plus 3. Notice down here it says first curve. And what I'm doing is I'm using the arrow keys, the cursors, to kind of get that as close as I can to where it intersects. So this is about as close as it can be. When I hit enter, it automatically jumps to the second curve, and I try to get that as close as I can, and I hit enter. And then it says guess, and then I hit enter. And so the answer is about 2, and let me take a screenshot of that. So let's put that right here. And it says solve the equation for x by graphing. Well, this is what we're interested in, is this x value. And we'll have to round it up, but we want to know what this is. What is the x value? Well, x is approximately, if I round that to 2 decimal places, actually, this says this says that you round, if I were to round this, it'd say 234. But the actual answer that they have on your online homework says 2.35. That's not exactly right, but whatever. That's the answer in the. And it really depends on how what system they use to graph. Okay. Any questions on that one?